So now I am going to show you a brief comparison between these uh, cloud service providers like Digibox, Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. So as you can see, this is the Digibox. Beside that, this is Google Drive, and this is Microsoft OneDrive. So I have created text folder in these. As you can see, this is a test and test. So now I'm going to upload a file here and see what is the difference. So in OneDrive I'm going to upload this pdf file of 108 KB. So first I'm going to upload it in Microsoft OneDrive. So as you can see, uploading one item to the test. Now it's here, it is done. Again I'm going to upload the same file in my Google test folder. So this is the file, it's uploading here also. Now it is done. In my Digibox again I'm going to upload the same file. So this is the Digibox. Okay, upload. So as you have seen, the more or less same time has taken by these three, so no issue. But the real issue arises when I am going to upload any folder with subfolder. As you can see, for the testing purpose, this is try folder. In that I have two text files, and another folder contains two images. So this is the folder, contains two files, and one folder again there are two files. So I'm going to upload it, try to upload it here in OneDrive. Yeah, it's uploading the 6 item, total 6 items there. 2, 3, 4, 5 and the parent folder, it's 6. Now it is done. As you can see, I have opened try, 2 text files and 2 image files will be there. Yeah, it's okay. Now I'm going to do the same for Google Drive. As you can see, I have dragged it here, uploading the folder here. I think yeah, it's done. As you can see, the try contains 2 text files, and under this 2 image file is there, so no issue. But the issue arises when I'm going to upload in my Digibox. So this is the folder, this is the same folder I have uploaded there. I pasted. As you can see, only files are allowed. So I have dragged it. So you might feel there are other options. So this is the upload files and create folder. There is no option of uploading in entire folder. So this is the main drawback of this Digibox. You can see I am again going to try that. I'm going to upload. Only files are allowed. Upload files, desktop, try, this is the folder, it's opens, so it's not allowing me to upload the entire folder. So as you can see, this is the major drawback of this my box, and I think this has to be rectified in order to compete with these major cloud service providers. Thank you.